everyone, here is Elena Sunglory with you. Sunglory Group is the #1 kitchenware and drinkware sport-to-sport solution maker in Asia. Our factory established in 1966. We dedicate in cookware automation, machine manufacturing, and technology know-how since 2006. Nowadays, domestic manufacturing is blooming all over the world. Most of our customers can cover the investment within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months, up to 2023. We have set up 52 A to Z production lines all over the world. Seven service centers in China, Bangladesh, India, Turkey, Egypt, Algeria, Mexico are supporting daily production for 150 customers in 30 countries. 37 of them are #1 in their segment markets. We started turnkey solutions of cookware, glass lid making since 2011. Then water bottles since 2017. Cutlery kitchen knife since 2021. This year, we expand A to Z production solutions of small home appliances, especially electrical kettles, rice cookers, air fryer, and OTG.
Hello everyone, this is Jessie from Sunglory.
大家好，我叫唐在超，目前任职上冠设备制作部的厂长。
Mr. Tang covers more than 27 years in powder and coating line. We can offer you both machines and service.
Hello everybody, my name is Ravinder Kokar. I am responsible for installation, after-sales service and maintenance. We help our customer in achieving the production target and work with your team in your factory on ground level.
Hi, I am Fan. I am authorized engineer of Sunglory. I have 17 years experience in automation production line. I am responsible for all project maintenance and installation.
Call us. Own your own factory, win more market.